Today I'm gonna show you the good spots for sniping and camping. Here's a good space for rotting those who gonna extract here. And here's the close version for those who are using MP5s and gun. You can hide here at the back of the cans. Then shoot their feet. The first thing you should know are the spawns of the players. This is a good rotting spot for those who want to ambush the players who spawn on the north side of the right side of the map. As you can see, they cannot see you from here. There's another spot here at this bush. You can crouch on it, or even yes, there you go. You can wait for them to walk there. This is another rotting spot for those who gonna extract on the right side. If you think they are gonna rot on this right side of the map, look for these two bushes, one then two. You should camp on the second one. There's a hole here. Find the hole on the grass here, this hole, then align it on the extraction point. You should be able to snipe them from there easily. This one is also a good rotting spot for those who will travel across the wall to go to factory or norteño. This is a good spot for you to wait for them. If you are able to get a red item, this abandoned house is a good place to hide at the back because no one barely even goes here to check at the back side of the map. And even so, you can ambush them.
Enemy detect.
This phone booth is a very good sniping spot if you want to see the almost whole sector A of the valley. You can snipe from here. They barely even check the phone booth. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Now I will teach you to go up the rice terraces. This is what we call this rock, rice terraces, because it has so many layers. So the first thing you should learn how to go up here is go around here, then just follow the wall. Then this is the first layer. You're able to hide here and even look at the bottom. The half of sector A, you can see the boxes from here and those who are traveling. Sometimes there's a big traffic here from right to left, but sometimes you want to just rat them, or you can even see factory from here if you want to snipe them. You'll need to jump from here to here, then align yourself on the right side, then jump on this edge, then you can roam around the rice terraces. You can also crawl here, yes, then look for enemies if you want to. It's a very good space. You can see almost everything from here. You can see the sniping tree from here. Then we call this the boost spot. You can also see the rice terraces from here, and also the boxes. There are snipers also there. Then this is the sniping stone. You can look for them. You can see them from here. Then the wooden house. Then the supply camp. There's also ways to go up there. Here I will show you the sniping tower in action. There you can see the enemies. Aim for the head, then wait for it. This spot, we call it the Norteño fence. You can see the sniping below. Also, there's a good spot. You can also see the shop from here. And then you can also see the sniping stone from here.
Kill you!
To teach you how to go up the proper way on the boost spot. We call this the boost spot for obvious reasons. So you need to crawl here, then back up for a little, then jump while dashing forward, then jump. This is a good spot for ambushing people inside Norteño, as I will show you from this clip. You can also see the sniping stone from here and the wooden house. This is the sniping stone, and this is the wooden house. You can see it from here. And also the tower, you can snipe it from here also. So and the fence, obviously. Then you can also see the Norteño, outside of Norteño. You can snipe them from there. You are barely even noticeable from that spot. This spot is very common for those who are ratting. You need to jump here, then back a little, then jump on the side. Oops, I forgot to press the jump button. Okay, again. So back a little, then eat. Back a little, then aim for the edge. Then you can see the shock from here and other things also, other places. You can see the wooden house and barely even see the sniping stone. You can snipe the Norteño also from here. This spot is what we call the sniping trees. You can crawl on it, then see the whole factory and also the tower. You can see them from here, those who are camping at the tower. And also you can see JC's spot from here. We call it JC's spot. And here I will show you the sniping positions here. You can snipe from here. You can see the rice terraces from here. For those who knows that there's someone there. And also, of course, you can see the tower from here. Snipe them. Then the JC spot. You can see JC spots from here. And of course, you can upgrade it by hiding here. This is a good hiding spot, but also you can see them from here. Sniping fence, then sniping trees, you can see them. Then if people are running, you can snipe them from here. And of course, you can upgrade also from here on top of it, the sniping stone. This is a good sniping positions. Only Norteño can see you from here. You can go up here from this side, then climb up here. This is a very vulgar position, but if you want to look for people who are running, this is a very good spot. But also be careful. So many snipers at the north. You can jump here at this side, this rock, then climb it here. There you go. This is a very good spot. Only few people can look for you from here, but also only few spots you can see. You can also see the helicopter from here. And here I will show you how to go on top of this tent. Just climb here, then jump. The tires supports the positions, so you will not be able to be seen from below or even the tower. If you duck right here, crawl like this, prone, and surprise enemies from below. This is JC spot. You can snipe here the tower of the frontier. There you go. And then you can also see this whole side of the map. This spot from frontier is a very good spot also for ratting, not for sniping but ratting. Only few people look at these stones because it's very high, so people who are extracting on the wall side of the map, you will not be able to be seen from there. Then I will show you how to go on top of this rock. You can rat from here or even get a variety of positions. At the start of the game, you can wait for enemies here. You just need to go on top here. Just replay this if you can't do it. Just replay. You can see the people extracting from here. You can also jump here at the tanks, then jump at the antenna. You can wait for enemies there. You are barely even noticeable from there. And that's all that I know for the North Valley sniping, camping, ratting, something. Good luck.